Let's create inflated text in Blender. Add a text object, rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Then go to Edit mode and change the text to whatever you like. Go to the text data properties and click on the font icon. Choose the font of your choice. Scroll down until you find character spacing and adjust the value to account for the inflation. Switch to object mode, right-click, and convert the text to a mesh. Go back to Edit mode, select all the objects by pressing A, then press E to extrude the faces along the Y-axis. Go to the Modifiers tab and add the Remesh modifier. Reduce the voxel size to 0.01. Don't forget to apply the Remesh modifier. Let's go to the Sculpting tab. Scroll down to the Brushes section and search for the Cloth Filter brush. Go to the filter type and change the gravity to Inflate. Now, click and move your mouse to inflate the mesh. Create a new material, then change the color of your object. Increase the metallic value to about 0.5 and reduce the roughness to 0.2.